BXH-3001 Assembly video. Spark arrestor. Pre-filter. HEPA filter. Check the power. Remove the insulating tape. Insert the battery. Verify system operational status. Check the airflow status. Waterproof charging port. Charge the battery. Standard belt. Attached to the PAPR. Insert the breathing tube. Multifunctional connector. Adjustable length. Adjustable wind direction. Connect the helmet. Video for demonstration purposes. Only read and follow all user instructions.